Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you about such an important part of your working with a computer as deleting programs. For example, I want to delete Skype from my computer. How do I do that? And I want to not to do like this. Well, it is not on my desktop anymore, but it is still on my computer, and I can make like this and it will turn on. I want to delete it totally from my computer, like nothing related to Skype will be left on my computer. How to do that? Well, you can just run this application. It exists in every program, like just a default uninstaller. Well, it's not hard to find out that such uninstall files do not really delete all the program. Like they don't clean the registry. They may leave some cache maybe or so on. So we will use for cleaning that all, we will use the program Rev Uninstaller Pro that makes the deleting in two steps. First, it runs that uninstaller file, and the second, it scans all your computer, all your registry, and asks you whether you want to delete all that extra files that may be connected to Skype or to another program that you want to delete. It really makes it good and helps you delete your program from your computer totally. So first, of course, I will show, give the idea how to install this program, because it is not free. Well, I of course recommend to buy it, but maybe you don't want to buy, so you can find a repack. Well, I use this repack. Of course, I didn't want to buy it, and I use a repack. It is this repack. It's Russian. Well, you can find any other. I will not recommend any repacks. Well, it's up to you. Well, you can just buy. I will provide this link in the description, of course, and this may be too, but I don't recommend to use it or no else. Well, you can find every other repack. Well, you have to understand it. I don't make you use exactly this repack. So how do you install it here? Well, I have saved password here. I will show it in Microsoft Edge, for example, browser. You open this link, then you press this. Well, you will be like this. Then you scroll a bit down, find this text that redirects you to download link. You press here. It asks you to insert the name and password. Well, it is written here on the website, so it's rslow.net. It is either login or password. You just write them here, press OK, and it asks you, and then it starts downloading. Well, I will conceal it because I already have it. Well, in Google Chrome, it may say that it is not a safe program like this. Well, as many repacks, a lot of browsers and a lot of antiviruses say that it may be a dangerous file. So in Chrome, for example, you can go to downloads and press the keep dangerous file here. So well, I think you can find a repack and download it and download a program from there yourself. So with this repack, for example, well, you get this archive, then you just extract it. Your antivirus may say that it is not safe again. Well, then you just turn off your antivirus for a bit. Well, I trust this website, I trust this repack, so if you don't trust it, use another repack maybe. Well, it's up to you, as I have already said. So then you open this folder, you run this exe file, yes. We wait once the app is loading, then repack, of course. Then you choose the language here, you press next. Here you can choose like portable version or installation. Well, I will choose installation. I don't know really how they differ. I always use installation here. Then I press next. You choose the folder where to install it, like this, and you choose the folder, and then you press install button. Well, I don't think it's hard. You can make it yourself, I think. So I will conceal it because I already have this program. Then you open it. And here you see all, but at least the biggest part of your programs. You can sort them however you want, so it's up to you. Well, I have it Russian somehow, I don't know how to translate it. I installed it in English, maybe because the repack is Russian. Well, I think you will find how to translate it. So, we have Skype here, and we want to delete it. We can either press the delete button here, or press the right button on your mouse, and press delete here. It's two like same buttons. So you press delete, then it asks you whether you really want to delete this program, and asks you to tick whether you want to make backups of register and your system. Well, tick them. Well, then I will show, after we uninstall Skype, I will show where are they kept and how to delete them if everything was okay and nothing broke. Well, in fact, I have never used them. Well, I always make them, but I never use them. Revan installer works rather good. So you press next button. Here it makes those copies and opens the uninstaller, the default uninstaller of Skype that I showed before. Well, of course, let's run it. Let's run it too. It has deleted some files, like a part of the files. We press OK. Then you choose the advanced scanning here and press the scan button. It scans for more files, for more like parts of Skype that are left on your computer. Well, it finds something here. You tick everything. Well, you may read it all and find out what maybe you need some of these files. Well, but I have never encountered such situations, so I just tick all, trusting it to the program to choose whether it is really Skype or not. Then you press the delete button. Yes, it loads one more list with more files. You also choose all them and press the delete button again. Then yes, and the program is deleted. Well, now about backups. It's the last thing I will say. Well, you go to update a local, so you see users, my user, update a local. How to open it in another way? Well, maybe someone will say you press Windows R on your keyboard, write %update% here, press OK, then go to to update roaming, then go to update local, and you're in the same folder. Well, as you see, it's two same folders. So we need the folder vs revo group here, then you go here, and here you see backups data. You can delete it if you don't need it, and if everything went correctly. And some more backups here. Well, I don't know what do these backups really do, so I delete them too. Why not? Well, that's all in fact. Well, then you have some files in recycle bin. Well, to clean them easier, you can just run CCleaner. Well, we talked about this in the previous video. You can go to and see, and you can go and watch it. You have the link in the right upper corner of your screen now. Well, then custom clean, run cleaner, continue. And it cleans the recycle bin and some other cache maybe. Well, it cleaned the recycle bin. That's the main why we ran it just now. So the next thing you better clean too, scan for issues, like it's registry. You scan for issues, and some registry records from Skype may be left, and this program will show you them, and then you will be able to fix selected issues. Well, with Skype, the Revan installer Pro worked correctly enough, so there are no registry issues after deleting it. But if you delete some other programs that are not so common maybe for computers, and Revan installer Pro doesn't really know exactly how to delete the program, you will have some issues that CCleaner will fix. I told about it in the previous video, so watch it if you want to know more about it. So that's all. In fact, well, we have deleted Skype totally from our computer. Nothing from Skype is left on our computer, and you can do the same things from the same things with all your other programs, well, if you need it. So if the video was helpful or just interesting, maybe consider subscribing to the channel, please, because only small % of people watching this video are really subscribed. So subscribe, please. I will really appreciate it. So, well, let's hit 1,000 subscribers till the end of summer. Well, why not? Thank you for watching this video. Press all the buttons under the video. Well, I will say it as many times as I can. Well, because it is really very important. Well, thank you for watching. Goodbye. Hope to see you next time.